In order to fix the clock face in lock screen on your Motorola smartphone, if it doesn't display properly, it is not, for example, on the center of the screen, it is like this smaller one, or maybe you have some other issues where, for example, the clock is not being displayed at all, then what you can do is, first of all, we can open settings. Next, we're gonna go to home and lock screen, and then choose lock screen settings. Now in these lock screen settings you can find show clock face, so you want to make sure that this option is enabled. Now besides that, we're gonna scroll up over here and go to the customize lock screen, and you might want to change the notification style. If you choose the list, then most of the time the clock will be smaller, but if you choose chip or bubble, then you should be able to have the bigger clock in the middle of the screen, just like it is visible over here in these settings. Now besides that, there are some other things that may interfere with the clock face, and you might have issues with the clock face. So if we go back to the main page of settings, we should be able to find apps. There we go. Then in apps tab over here, in order to see the list of all apps, and we are looking for the glance app. So in my case, I believe I don't have this app installed, but I know that on some Motorola smartphones the glance app is actually installed. You can of course try to search for it. There we go. I don't think it is a system app. No, it is not, so you should be able to immediately see it in case you have it. And if you have the app, then you want to disable it. So let's say I'm gonna choose this app, for example, and over here we have the disable option, so you want to disable the glance app if you have it. What you can also do, if that doesn't help, so once you disable the glance app, you want to check if the clock face is fixed. If it's not, then we can also try to find the personalize app over here. There you go. And then you want to clear cache. So we're gonna go to the storage and cache, and then in here you want to clear cache. And if clear cache doesn't work, you want to clear the whole storage. Now if you do so, there's a chance that you will have to set up, for example, the wallpaper again. Essentially, you might need to go to the personalization settings and set things up again, which is over here, of course. So you might need to, for example, toggle icon shape, change the theme, and so on and so forth, in order to fix some of the changes. And hopefully after that the clock face will be fixed. Leave a like and subscribe.